Unit 1, Lesson 8. Solving inequalities in Q, rational numbers. We had studied before some concepts as a substitution set and solution set in equations, which they are also the same concepts for inequalities. The solution set of the inequality is the set whose elements satisfy the inequality, and it is a subset of the substitution set. Properties of inequalities. Number 1, if A less than B, then A plus C is also less than B plus C. For example, 6 plus 2 is more than negative 9 plus 2. So 8 is also more than negative 7. Number 2, if A less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C. 6 minus 7 is more than negative 9 minus 7. So negative 1 is also more than negative 16. Property number 3, if A is less than B and C is a positive number, then AC is also less than BC. For example, 6 times 5 is more than negative 9 times 5. So 30 is also more than negative 45. Number 4, if A less than B and C is a positive number, then A over C is also less than B over C. For example, 6 over 3 more than negative 9 over 3. So 2 is more than negative 3. Property number 5, if A less than B and C is a negative number, then AC is more than BC. For example, 6 times negative 1 is more than negative 9 times negative 1. So negative 6 is more than 9. False inequality because negative 6 is less than 9. So if we multiply the two sides of inequality by a negative number, then we change the sign of the inequality to the opposite side. Property number 6, if A is less than B and C is a negative number, then A over C is more than B over C. 6 over negative 3 is more than negative 9 over negative 3. So negative 2 is more than 3. False inequality because negative 2 is less than 3. So if we divide the two sides of the inequality by a negative number, then we change the inequality sign to the opposite side. Exercises. Find the solution set of the inequality. X plus 2 is less than 5, where number 1, at x belongs to z, and number 2, at x belongs to natural numbers. Solution. X plus 2 is less than 5. By subtracting 2 from the two sides will be x plus 2 minus 2 is less than 5 minus 2. So x is less than 3. Number 1, when x belongs to z, so the solution set is all the integers where are less than 3. So the solution set equal the set of 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and so on. At number 2, when x belongs to natural numbers, the solution set is all natural numbers which are less than 3. the solution set equal to the set of 2, 1, and 0. So, we note from the previous example that the solution set of the inequality depends on the substituting set. We find that the solution set in N differs from the solution set in Z. For example, where x belongs to Z, the solution set is all the integers which are less than 3. So, the solution set is the set of 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and so on. Number 2, when x belongs to natural numbers, the solution set is all natural numbers which are less than 3. So, the solution set is equal to the set of 2, 1, and 0. Another example, find the solution set of the inequality. 2x minus 5 is more than 5, where x belongs to integer numbers. Solution: 2x minus 5 is more than 5. By adding 5 to both sides, will be 2x minus 5 plus 5 is more than 5 plus 5. So, 2x is more than 10. By multiplying both sides by half, so half times 2x is more than half times 10. So, x is more than 5. The solution set is all the integers which are greater than 5. So, the solution set is equal to the set of 6, 7, 8, and so on. Find and Q the solution set of each of the following inequalities. 7 multiplying by the difference between x and 1 is more than 9x minus 6. Solution: by using distribution property, it will be 7x minus 7 more than 9x minus 6. By subtracting 9x from both sides, will be negative 2x minus 7 is more than negative 6. By adding 7 to both sides, will be negative 7 minus 7 plus 7 is more than negative 6 plus 7. So, negative 2 is more than 1. By dividing both sides by negative 2, so it will be negative 2 over negative 2 is less than 1 over negative 2. Note that the change of the inequality sign. So it will be x is less than negative half. So the solution set is equal to x belongs to rational where x is less than negative half. Another example, find in Z the solution set of the inequality. 3x minus 5 is more than or equal negative 11 and also less than 4. Solution: adding 5 to the 3 sides will be 3x minus 5 plus 5 is more than or equal negative 11 plus 5 and also less than 4 plus 5. So 3x is more than or equal negative 6 and also less than 9. By dividing all sides by 3, it will be negative 6 over 3 and 3x over 3 is less than 9 over 3. So x is more than or equal negative 2 and also less than 3. So the solution set is equal to negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2.